Staying fit at home has never been easier thanks to the wide range of affordable and space-saving fitness gear available today. Whether you're building a full home gym or just want simple tools for daily exercise, the top 5 home workout equipment of 2025 deliver powerful results without a gym membership. From resistance training to cardio boosters, these tools are perfect for beginners and pros alike. Designed for small spaces and maximum efficiency, this gear helps you burn fat, build strength, and stay consistent. Ready to level up your fitness routine at home? Let's check out the best equipment for home workouts this year. Number 1. Lifepro Waver Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. The Lifepro Waver Vibration Plate is a powerful tool for full-body home workouts, helping activate muscles, boost circulation, and burn fat, all with minimal impact. Ideal for beginners or advanced users, this vibration platform delivers high-intensity oscillation to stimulate muscle engagement and improve strength and flexibility. It includes resistance loop bands for added versatility, allowing upper and lower body toning in one session. Compact and quiet, it fits easily into any space and supports workouts for weight loss, recovery, or toning. With adjustable speeds and an easy-to-use display, the Lifepro Waver turns any home into a personal fitness zone. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Row and Ride Squat Assist Trainer. The Sunny Health and Fitness Row and Ride is a compact, foldable squat assist machine designed to target your glutes, legs, arms, and core, perfect for efficient home workouts. This trainer supports a natural squat motion while reducing strain on your joints, making it ideal for beginners or those with limited mobility. With adjustable resistance bands, you can increase workout intensity as your strength improves. The padded seat and handlebars provide comfort, while the foldable frame allows for easy storage in tight spaces. Whether you're toning muscles or boosting cardio, this all-in-one machine offers a full-body workout solution right from the comfort of your home. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness Compact Adjustable Rowing Machine. The Sunny Health and Fitness Compact Rowing Machine is an excellent home workout solution for full-body fitness. With 12 levels of adjustable resistance, it targets your arms, legs, core, and back, providing both strength training and cardio in one sleek design. The smooth glide rail and ergonomic handlebars ensure a comfortable low-impact workout, perfect for all fitness levels. Its compact size makes it ideal for home gyms, and it pairs with the SunnyFit app for guided workouts, real-time tracking, and enhanced motivation. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or maintaining peak performance, this rower delivers versatility, connectivity, and results, all in one machine. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper for Exercise. The Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper is a compact yet powerful workout machine, perfect for home fitness routines. Designed with an optional twist motion, it engages more muscles, especially your core, glutes, and legs, while providing a fun, low-impact cardio session. It supports up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The built-in resistance bands allow simultaneous upper body training for a total body workout. Compact and easy to store, this stepper also connects to the SunnyFit app for guided workouts and real-time progress tracking. Burn calories, tone muscles, and boost endurance, all from your living room. Number 5. BowFlex Home Gym Workout Systems. The BowFlex Home Gym is a premium all-in-one fitness solution built for serious strength training at home. Using Power Radar resistance technology, it offers smooth, consistent resistance up to 200 pounds, upgradable to 310+, simulating free weights without joint strain. With over 60+ full-body exercises, you can target every major muscle group, arms, chest, back, legs, and core, without needing multiple machines. Its compact, space-saving design fits easily into home gyms, and the adjustable seat and cables ensure customizable comfort and performance. Ideal for beginners to advanced lifters, BowFlex transforms your home into a professional training zone for muscle building, toning, and total body fitness.